In this video, we'll walk you through how to turn off professional mode on Facebook in 2025. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com. To disable professional mode, tap the menu button in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on your profile icon at the top left to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, you'll see a message saying, "Welcome to professional mode." If you also see dashboard, that means professional mode is active. To turn it off, tap the three dots next to Advertise, then scroll to the bottom and tap Turn off professional mode. A prompt will appear asking you to review the changes. Tap Continue, and Facebook will explain what will be different on your profile. Once you're ready, hit the blue Turn off button. You'll then be taken to a screen to review your default settings. Choose the settings you prefer and hit Done. Once that's done, you'll notice that the professional dashboard label is gone from your profile. If you tap the three dots next to Edit Profile, you'll now see the option to turn on professional mode, again confirming that you've switched back to a regular personal account. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.